Hi guys, do you want to learn how to create videos using YouTube's AI tools? In this video, I will show you how to generate AI video clips directly from the YouTube app using the YouTube's built-in AI creation features. YouTube's AI Playground allows creators to generate video clips from text prompts and, where supported, use reference images to guide the result. These clips can then be added to YouTube Shorts. So in this video, you'll learn how to access YouTube AI video generation, how to find the AI Playground on YouTube, how to create a video using text prompts on YouTube. So all this you're going to learn. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open up your YouTube app. So let me tap on my YouTube app to open it. And make sure your YouTube app is updated. If it's not updated, you can get it updated in your Play Store, your App Store. Now the next step you have to take is to tap on where you can see create. You can see the plus icon down there. You have to tap on it. Let me do that. So once you tap on it, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see short. You can see it right there. Let me scroll through it. You can see short there. So make sure you select short. So let me tap on short. So right here is the next step. What you have to do now is to tap on the YouTube AI icon. You can see it right there at the top right corner. You can see that's the AI Playground. So let me tap on the icon right away to open it. Right here is the next step. You can see what's written at the top. It says AI Playground. So this way you can be able to generate your AI videos using the YouTube AI tool. You can see right there at the top we have three options. The first one is create video. The second one there is photo to video. That means you can convert your photos to videos. Then the next one there is create music. So you can be able to generate AI songs. So now the one we have to go for is the first one, which is create video, because we want to generate AI video. You can generate videos using this AI tool. So let me go ahead now to tap on create video. Then right here is the next step. You can see a notification just popped out. It says creating content with YouTube's AI features. It says there you're responsible for the content that you create and publish with YouTube's AI feature. So what you can do at your leisure time, in case you want to know more about this YouTube AI feature, is to tap on that link right there written in blue color. Tap on it, they'll be able to read and know what the YouTube's AI tool is all about. So let me go ahead and tap on continue. Let me tap on continue. So this is where you're going to be able to create your videos using your text prompt. You can see it right there written at the top, create video. So as you can see here, these are templates. These are templates that have already been made available by YouTube. In case you can see they have text prompts right there, but I want to show you guys how you can create your own videos using your own text prompt. So the first step you have to take, of course, if you want to create a video, an AI video, you have to get your video script. So you can get your video script from anywhere. So I've gotten my video script already created. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to paste the script right there. You can see where it is written. You can see what's written there. It says describe your idea. So that's where you have to paste your text prompt. So let me go ahead now to paste my text prompt. So what I'll do now is to go over to ChatGPT to copy my video script. I use ChatGPT to create my video script. So let me minimize. Then let me open up my ChatGPT. You can see here, this is my video script and it has 3 paragraphs. That means I will have to generate 3 short clips using the YouTube AI tool. So I have to generate 3 short clips. So let me first of all copy the first paragraph. Let me highlight it. Then let me tap on copy. You can see I've copied it. So let me minimize and go back to YouTube. Let me tap on open it. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to paste my script right there, my first paragraph. Let me tap on it, then let me paste it. You can see right there I've pasted it, and this video is about faith in God. So you can see what I'm going to do now in order to start this video generation, to tap on send. You can see send right there, the send icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys can see the video generation have started. The YouTube AI tool have started generating it. So what I have to do is to wait patiently until it is fully generated. So you can see it is at 24%. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. It's going to get generated now in few seconds. Let's just exercise a little bit of patience. As the video is generating, let me just quickly say this: you can't generate a very long video at once using this YouTube AI tool. You have to generate it clip by clip, short clip by short clip. Let's say 10 seconds. So you can, at the end of the generation, add up all the 10 seconds video you've generated. You can't generate a very long video at once. So maybe with time, YouTube is going to upgrade and allow us to generate a very long video. But for now, you can't generate long videos. You can generate it clip by clip, short clip by short clip, short video clip. So guys, that's how it works. So it's going to get to 100 now. Let's just wait. Wow guys, you can see now the video has been generated, has been fully generated. So what I will do now is to increase the volume of my phone so you can be able to hear it audibly. Let me increase it.
Faith in God means trusting Him, even when you cannot see the full picture. It is believing that God is with you, even when circumstances seem uncertain. Faith in God means trusting.
So guys, I had to reduce the volume so I can continue with the video. I believe you've been able now to watch and listen to the AI video. You can see the voice texture is okay, the video itself, the visual is very okay. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to add another clip. I have to generate another video. So what I have to do now is to go back. So let me go back now. Let me tap on back. You can see the back icon at the top right, rather at the top left. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap on discard edit. So what you have to do now right away is to go ahead now to paste your second part of the script. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to copy the second part of my script. So let me copy it right away. Let me tap on copy. Then let me go back to YouTube. Let me paste it. You can see I've pasted it. So what I have to do now is to tap on send. Let me tap on send. You can see guys, it has started generating. So let's wait again till it gets to 100%. You can see guys, it has gotten to 100%. So guys, you can see it has generated the second clip. So it's going to first play the first clip before it enters the second clip. You can see this is the first clip still playing. You're going to see that the second clip is going to start playing. Here is the second script. You can see it right there. Here is the second video now playing. This is the second video. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to increase my volume so you can be able to watch these two video clips from the start to the end. So let me increase my volume right away.
Faith in God means trusting Him, even when you cannot see the full picture. It is believing that God is with you, even when circumstances seem uncertain. Sometimes, the answer may not come when you expect it, but faith reminds you to keep praying, keep trusting, and keep moving forward, knowing that God's timing is greater than ours.
So guys, I had to reduce the volume so I can continue with the video. I believe you can see now that a new clip has been added to the first clip. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to generate the last clip using the last paragraph of my video script. So let me go back now. Let me tap on back at the top. You can see it right there. Then let me tap on discard edit. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to paste the third paragraph. Then let me go ahead now to go and copy the third paragraph of my video script. Let me copy it real quick. Let me tap on copy. Then let me minimize back to YouTube. Then let me paste the prompt. So what I will do now is to remove that emoji. It doesn't allow emoji, so let me remove it. Then let me go ahead now to tap on send. You can see send right there. Right there guys, can see it has started generating, so we have to wait again. Right there guys, can see it as 100%. So guys, the third video clip has been generated. It has been added to the other two video clip we generated just a while ago. So let's just get to listen to the video. Let me increase the volume so you can listen to the video, or let me just make the video start from the beginning, so on the first clip. So let's just wait a few seconds.
Faith in God means trusting Him, even when you cannot see the full picture. It is believing that God is with you, even when circumstances seem uncertain. Sometimes, the answer may not come when you expect it, but faith reminds you to keep praying, keep trusting, and keep moving forward, knowing that God's timing is greater than ours. So whatever you are facing today, don't give up. Hold on to your faith and remember, God is still working, even when you cannot see it.
So guys, I believe you've been able now to watch and listen to the third clip. We were able to watch the whole length of the video from the first video clip down to the third video clip. So let me show you guys how you can edit. You can see where it is written edit down there on the left hand side at the bottom. So let me tap on it. So right here, this is where you can be able to cut and trim the video. Maybe there is a part that you don't like, you can go ahead to trim it. You can see this is right here is the first clip. This is the first clip. This is the first clip. You can see where it ended. You can see it right there where the arrow is pointing. Then right here is the second clip. You can see where the second clip ended, the arrow is pointing at it. Then right here is the third clip. This is the third clip. You can see we have gotten to the end. So you can see we have 3 video clips right here, which were all generated using the YouTube AI tool, the AI playground. So you can go ahead now to add text. You can see the text icon at the bottom left. You can see music. You can add music from the from YouTube. You can also see stickers right there. You can see. You can also see voiceovers. So in case you want to say something, you can tap on voiceover and add your own voice to the video. So guys, now once you've been able now to edit, what you have to do now is to tap on next. You can see next down there, or in case you want to use some of these features, right, you can see there are some of the features right here. You can see it right there on the right hand side. Let me tap on this drop down icon to show you guys more features. You can see text, effects, filters, stickers, captions. If you want to add captions to this shot, you can tap on the caption, then YouTube will be able to generate captions for you. I believe I should do that. Let me tap on caption. You can see it says there, generating captions, sending audio to YouTube. So YouTube is going to translate this video into text to generate the caption for you. So there's going to be captions while the video is playing. So I think I've showed you guys. So let me just stop it. I want to stop it. There's no need generating the caption. I believe I've been able to show you guys how I can do that. Let me tap on the drop down icon again. So you can go ahead to save this to your device. You can see where it is written save to device. You can tap on that download icon, then the video is going to be downloaded into your phone gallery. And also the voiceover is also there and the rest. So let me just tap on save to device. Let me tap on save to device. You can see guys, now it's loading up. You can see what it says there. It says processing. This may take a moment. This video is becoming too long. This video was just about how to generate the video, but I believe most of you watching, they are going to need this. You can see it says video saved to your device. You can see down there the video has been saved to my device. What I'll do now is to tap on next, and also you can add sound. You can see that add sound button at the top, so you can select from the list of music in YouTube. So let me tap on next. I don't want to add any sound. Let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. It says add details. So you can go ahead now to add the title of your YouTube shorts. You can go ahead now to add the description and the rest of them. Let me tap on this drop down icon where it says show more. Let me tap on show more. So you can add your description right there. You can add your caption. Let me just tap on caption, then let me write faith in God as my title. You can also add description. Let me add my description using my script. I copied the script, so you can see this is my description. Then you can go ahead, you can see it's on public. You can decide to put it on private. So guys, and what you have to do next is to tap on upload shorts. Once you tap on upload short, it's going to be uploaded into your channel. Let me do that real quick. I believe you're getting more from this video. You can see it right there. It says uploading, so the video is uploading to your channel. So what you have to do is to wait patiently for the video to be fully uploaded into your channel. So guys, this is how you can be able to, let me go back. This is how you can be able to generate video using the YouTube AI tool, using the AI playground on YouTube. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to generate videos, endless videos, multiple videos using the YouTube AI tool. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.